Yeah, man, you don't know, so we say update. Wagwan, when you depend, welcome forward to Sandy and Bones TV. Yo, you don't know, say from Queenie and Dewey there together, Pretty Dan always has something to say about Queenie, you see it. But before forward and here with Pretty Dan, I say, yo, Queenie, that dinner with him manager. Yeah, Shaggy. Don't know, say them little thing I just to get back to Dewey and things still. But Pretty Dan, they attack still. I don't know if it's important to know still, no, but I don't know she ever have fear things I say or do anything. I don't know if it was them usually deal. But all of them come from Greater Portmore and them sitting there. Yo, we forward and hear what she say, yeah, man. I don't know no fun I watch a video and I drop a comment but I not like up the video. Just ask no please just like up the video. And if you not subscribe, just subscribe to the channel said Steve too. You see it? I forward and hear Pretty Dan I say, yeah.
The woman help you if you know if you workless and you just wanna be workless. You can't even be a man and stand up firm and help her as a woman. Look how far she help you too. She meet you in that they look a bit of time there and look what she do for you so far already. And she just know you. You know how much man and woman there for y'all 5-6 years. Nothing like this nothing for them yet. The woman takes 6 months and carry England after a marriage. You know how much things the woman they do for you? You owe the woman your life. You owe the woman your happiness, bad man. And that the woman they did that give you everything. So make you free go, you want free go buy front gear, buy Louis gear, buy Gucci gear, and she now beat them. The woman put you before herself. And enough people now admit it.
Was Queenie your ticket too far?
Well, to be honest with you,
She put Dewey before herself. Everything I do it. A song where you get up every day, I sing about you just ride the woman front so. All the woman song you have to sing. That's why she sing the song. One man to me goodie. That I do it because she put you before herself. Everything as long as do it. Only thing I do it. Queenie don't even talk about herself and her kids like before. And you, everything are you. She give her all her, and you don't give her none of you. My husband this. Me never hear you say my wife yet. Crazy. You can't even regard her in a proper manner. You use a manipulator. You don't even know how to address your wife right. And she alone address you in the blood clot with my husband. Everything are crazy. We don't need that. The woman regards you. The way how she hold your eye. She put your pedestal so high. As a woman who never would have lied down with you yet. Would I lie down with you now? Lie down with you and curl up with you and say, do I love you so much? Just because of the queen. Not because of you. Bro, you're a non-progressive element, bro. Somebody move that new this stuff right in front of me now. Come over here so with it. Good. Everybody marry over here so we good. The woman have you so high. Not even her kids them, she not talk about like how Queenie used to talk about her youth them until she come live. Everything revolve around you now, do it. Do it alone, everything I do it. Everyone me gonna shout out, do it. Everyone me shout out, do it. Because of she. Not because of you do it. Because of she. You think nobody will call your name if I never Queenie? Who would never know you? We never see you. We pass you a roll like dog. No, we don't want to see you. If Queen never said do it, none of we not said do it. If the Queen never said one man to me goodie, I she give you your name, bro. You is nobody. Me don't know who you think you feel like one connection, boss. You never connect with none of we. A Queenie we connect with, and we have to take you with it, with Queenie. You come like buy one get one free. We buy Queenie, and we get you free. I just saw the thing that come, my father. And like a light, none of we did like you, my general. It was a Bogo. It was a sale. Buy one, get one free. You free. You understand me I said to you? Get to me I say. A queen we say. A queen we know. A queen we are real for. And then when the queen stop, make a real fear. Remember, you know, queen said double tap and the whole we run out. Double tap. Double tap. Double tap. All the angel remix it. She never, remember, say she did a hit song before she said do it, you know. I stay up and she stay up, play up on the place and said do it. Anyhow, she never said do it. None of we not said do it. Everywhere we got them a shout out to it. One man to me goodie. That I do it. That I do it. A queen. A queen all days just like what all of we there as I say. Come on for me skin them. Yeah. I'm glad for your eloquent game and thing. A queen. A queen. Me could talk it out. Queen force your power, brother. Queen force your power. If everybody on their life I go talk now. No, we never did I use you when you come here, brother. No, we ain't like you. God kill me. To this day, we never hate your father. To this day, you see why you come on here? No, we ain't like you. We call you user, one little manipulate. See, you try to tell you that? No, we never did I use you. We try with you, and you lose, you trying. You coming like you pick me the way, I say, well, I will try with you, no matter how I try with you, I still can't thief. You will try with you. No, we not ready. No, we a queen, we ready. And queen, they tell us if we not accept, we. And now we know. Alright, then do it. One man do it, go there. That do it. do it. We do it, queen, it don't beat all the way. Do it, queen, say, anyhow, we not say you. We not live another night. So you see, two mama force you upon where we say we take you. But you get over your head. Do you know, sister? Nobody never did a real fear when you grab him my connection boss. Connection boss. When you're up on the stage, you was 2 buckle away from embarrassment, you know. 2 buckle. And then not even have to be one Heineken or buckle. I could have one soda buckle. Father, me say, you did like buckle away. Nobody at all no know you in a crowd. Nobody. Me say everybody sit down and watch a video yet from the 2 buckle. We don't sit down and see even one. Cause we know how dance all go. When you go up there, sir, connection boss, from one thing. Connection boss, you idiot. No, we never did I use your father. You go up there, you grab the mic, you start to sing one song. See me? Alright, yeah. Well, probably I'm gonna know when I make. Right. Go on, further. Chop a line. Yard ring. Yes. Do we have the things that nobody know? You think this year karaoke bad man? Class you think a karaoke? Me I wonder, Canada is an idiot place. Could have never Jamaica. 2 buckles so well. You get a shandy buckle, you dance, boy. You get the buckle under your thinking. Which part of Jamaica you can go up on one stage, go, boring. Nobody know you. No, see people, nobody in a crowd, not even, me not even hear a crowd goes, ooh. Nobody know you. You're up on the stage, me I wonder if the crowd empty. No nice. Yes. He like him and beg them a moment of silence to bomb. You say you can't hear even if somebody key drop on the stage. Nobody at all has said nothing, so I'm convinced that there was no crowd. Where you go take bookings for your queenie? Your queenie? Oh, you go on the stage and go get forward without the queen side of you. You're an idiot. You know, say you let me forward all the way. You forward there England. If Queenie did walk out on the stage and say, one man to the whole place. People don't idiot. you left it forward. The forward, they are England. Brother, there is no way Queenie would have step up on stage. And people know who saga their yard. People know blood and tanks drop out of ground. Then chance they are ground. Your forward, they are England, one queen, not two. Your forward, they are England, a ball. Yo, brother, you